the 1997 Mitsubishi Pajero. It comes with 76,335 original miles. It comes with the 6G74 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. I did want to let you know that it has undergone servicing and is being sold as a mechanic special. This vehicle runs and drives fine, but when the engine does get hot, the vehicle's RPMs will surge up and down. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. I did want to point out that this vehicle, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away when you start the vehicle. I did want to let you know that this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So the number that y'all are seeing up here, 122,850. That is the kilometers. The miles on this vehicle, again, is 76,335. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle.
Because that's the, as being goes down, the engine will shake.